How you can view the full DP or profile picture of someone on the Threads app. Now this is the app recently launched by Instagram, and on Instagram they have given the feature to view the full profile picture, but on the Threads app there is not the straight way to view the full profile picture. So how you can view the full DP of someone, I will teach you in this video here. For example, if I open the profile of someone here, for example, this is the person here, and I am tapping on his profile picture, but his profile picture is not being opened. So for opening the full of it, you have to first of all close the Threads app and go to your browser. You can open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, go to Google, and now this is the most crucial step here. So listen to me carefully. You have to open Google and you have to type in here Threads full photo viewer and hit the go button. And when different sites will appear up, you can open any of the website from here. For example, if I'm going to open this second website appearing up in this list, so if I go to this website, here in this box you have to type in the Threads username of the person that you want to see the full profile picture of. For example, if I go back to the Threads app and if I notice the username of this person, which is dark.vides, and I have to just type in the username here in this box, dark.vides, and hit the view DP button. And after that, this interface will appear up. Don't worry by this blurred profile picture. I know it is not matching with the one which is real, but if you press the download button, here you will be able to see the full profile picture of that person that you have copied the username of. And if you want to save it or download into gallery, you have to simply tap and hold on the picture, and here you will get the save image option. And if you tap on that, it will be saved in your gallery. So simple as that. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Now, if you want to know that how you can hide the replies that you have posted on your Threads app, here's a quick video tutorial to hide your replies on the Threads. See you in that video there. Thank you so much.